My dear Olivia, I am going to speak to you from a mother's angle of view. So, it is true that you really reported this young upcoming content creator because this content creator is mimicking you. She did not copy your video to repost. She's trying to mimic you. She's looking for something to let her that will help her grow. But whoa, you went ahead and you reported this girl. Olivia, guys, if you are watching this video, please screenshot this information that says Saturday on it and read it. Olivia Hair tutorial say, I am not holding any of her posts on copyright. I told her to delete the video of her making my acne makeup videos with my pictures on it. And when she didn't, I took down the video myself. But when she emailed me and apologized, I released the video back to her. Wow, Olivia has become the small god because somebody is mimicking you. You took down, you gave her copy strike, and then when she apologized to you, you released the video. You are almost at 9 million. My dear, how many videos will you watch? It seemed to me that you don't really know what fame is all about. You don't understand fame. As big as you have time to be going pium to smaller channels to find out who's making videos or talking about you. You're not ready for fame yet. You are not ready for growth yet. My advice for you is to please remember that Nigerians put you where you are. I have read other comments as well where they are planning to mass report your page. Don't play with Nigerians. Do not play with them because it seemed to you that you climb very fast and you don't want other people to climb, right? It doesn't work like that. Why are you a celebrity? Why are you having all this followers, people liking and following you? Don't you know that it's only the good things that people copy and people mimic and people wants to be like people who have something to offer? This should be an accolade for you that people or somebody, small bloggers are mimicking you and want to be like you. Don't play with God. God put you up there. If you play with God, God's hands is upon you, but you seem to not realize how high God has lifted you. My dear, forget what is going on the background. Concentrate and do your content. It is only a matter of time. Nobody is a matter of time. All these small bloggers will climb up, will become famous, will become popular. I am begging you, Nafa Chineke, forget this person mimicking you, using your content. Do you know that they're even exposing you more and getting you more followers? By putting your pictures on their page, people will run kitty kata kata to go and see who is this Olivia. How and where do you think that all this your rapid growth is coming from? Is this not from people reposting your pictures and reposting your videos? If you're not ready to be dragged, you're not ready to be on the social media. But at this time, nobody's even dragging you. People are promoting you, and you're the one dragging yourself. Look at Angela Moose. People have dragged her from, like, I passed my generator. She's still there smiling and laughing every day. Look at Blessing CEO. How many people has dragged her? Because just stop this. I'm not happy with you. I will repeat myself again just for the last time. Nigerians put you where you are, and if you start to mess with the upcoming content creators, only God knows. Yes, as big as you are, one of your jobs should be to help the upcoming content creators get to where they are. Encourage them. Encouraging them, you might not know them on one-to-one. Leave them to use your videos and your pictures and climb up there because they're creating extra publicity for you.